हेलो चिल्ड्रंस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन लाई हूँ that you will be in surprise. Very good question is here. A rectangle triangle is given to us. Okay, a rectangle triangle is given to us. A, B, and C. Length of AB base only given to us. सिर्फ बेस की लंबाई दे रखी है, ये 90 डिग्री है. This is 90 degree because this is right angle triangle. Find out the perimeter. And how can we find the area? Perimeter is equal to what? An area. अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि how can we find the perimeter if two only single arm is given to us? एक ही भुजा दे रखी है. How can we find it? Perimeter. और अगर दो भुजा पता चल जाए, जिसमें अगर ये पता चल जाए इसको बेस का, तो हम एरिया तो निकाल ही देंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आवर एम इज टू फाइंड these arms, length of this point B, so that let us suppose this length is B. इस लेंथ को B कर लिया, इसको हमने A मान लिया. This is in front of A point and this will be C. It means we are giving simply C is equal to given to us 101. B and A are not given to us. नहीं दे रखे. Because this is the rectangle theory, rectangle triangle, so that Pythagoras can be applied. As per that rule, the square of the hypotenuse will be the addition of the perpendicular square plus base square. It means we can say, as per Python, A square will be equal to B square plus C square. Or we can say, as per Python, that A square minus B square, this will be simply equal to C square. C square is known to us. This is A is, it can be written as A plus B or A minus B. Okay? This will be equal to 101 whole square. Or it can be written as 101 into 101. Okay? Now, this is A plus B into A minus B. Now, it means one factor will be equal to one factor. This will be equal to this. It means A plus B, this will be also equal to 101. And A minus B, this will be also equal to 101. Because राइट हैंड साइड का फैक्टर 101 into 101 है. एक फैक्टर A plus B के बराबर है, दूसरा A minus B के बराबर है. From this, if we add this, this will get cancelled, and 2A will be equal to 2A will be 101. Okay, it means A will be equal to into 2, A will be 101. Okay, but A plus B is equal to 2. But A plus B itself is equal to 101. So that B will be 0, which is not possible. If B will be 0, अगर B 0 हो जाएगा तो ट्रायंगल नहीं बन सकता. Okay, so this case is not possible. It means we can't take this factor because in this case one arm will be 0. अगर A भी 101 के बराबर हो जाता है तो 2A बराबर 101 into 2 है, तो A बराबर 101 तो B का मतलब वो भी 0 हो गया. B में A में B जोड़े तो 1 से 1 होना चाहिए, तो B 0. अब वो B 0 होते ही ट्रायंगल नहीं बनेगा. It is not possible. Not possible. Not possible. This case is not possible. It means we can't take this case in which A plus B into A minus B will be the product of 101 into 101. Now another 101, what we can see? 101 square, this can be written as 101 square. This can be written as 1021 201. स्क्वायर करिए, आप इसका स्क्वायर करिए. 101 into 101. 101 0, and then 101. We'll get here 10201. Square of 101 is equal to 10,201. This will be 10,201. Now the product of this can be written as, इसके product को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 10,201 into 1. Okay, this case is not possible, so that this will be rubbed. I am going to rub this. Okay. Now, this is not possible. Now we are going to have the product of this square of 101. This will is equal to, इसका स्क्वायर किया तो 10,201 आता है. इसको लिख सकते हैं 10,201 into a. इस केस में ये भी किसके बराबर है? a plus b into a minus b. This is also equal to each other. In which bigger product will be equal to this, and smaller, this is less difference, it will be smaller one. Or we can say from here, इसे क्या कह सकते हैं हम ये कह सकते हैं कि a plus b के बराबर है ये. a plus b, this is equal to 1,201, and a minus b is equal to 1. For this solution, we'll get these two equations. Now we add, then 2a, this will be equal to 10,202. It means a will be equal to 5,001. Say 5,101. Okay. The value of a is 5,101. That is why b will be, hence b will be equal to 5,100. Subtracting this from this, 10,201 में से 5,101 घट जाएगा. This is the value of b. These two values are b and c. It means that a will become equal to what? 01, and b is equal to what? 5,100, and c is already given to us 101. So perimeter will be the addition of these three. Perimeter क्या होगा? इन तीनों का जोड़. इसको जोड़ दीजिए. जोड़ेंगे तो ये आएगा 2, 0, 3, 10. This will be the perimeter of whole triangle. Clear? Now, if area is to be defined, now we are going to find the area. Area is very calculated. This is to be calculated yourself. I am simply directing you how you can calculate. Area will be 1 by 2 base into height. Base is 101 into height is equal to b, and b is equal to 5. This you can cancel this. 101 into 2 to the 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, and 0. This is the multiplication you can obtain area, SQCM. Okay. Now you can calculate yourself. I am not going to calculate it. You can even do this very simply. The multiplication is there. I think that you have enjoyed my video. आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. And thanks for watching my video. Keep in touch with me, and don't forget to like and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.